Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'll be unboxing this brother's Serger sewing machine. I'm so excited about this machine. I was definitely due for one. I feel like I have been overworking my sewing machines by trying to make it do so much. I do not know how to use one of these things, so please leave in the comments tips on how I'm supposed to use it. I'm gonna figure it out as I go, but this is definitely different from what I'm used to. This side is where they have the dials and levers. So this is a sample of how the machine works. This is the threading example. It came out pretty nice. They already had the machine pre-threaded, as you can see, but I still need to figure out how to thread it myself. Here's the removable free arm section. So accessories that come with the machine would be the soft cover that you've seen in the beginning to protect the machine from dust, and then we got the trim trap or the trim collector to collect the excess fabric. We also have the cones to cover up on the thread and a thread net. And this is how it should look once you place it on there. It also includes this gathering foot, some tweezers, a cleaning brush, and extra needles of different sizes. Here is a blind stitch foot and this little wrench for the machine. And these round pieces you could place on top of the thread as well. They are called thread spool caps. And when I figure out how to use this machine, I'll come back with some how-to videos, like how to thread it and stuff like that. Okay, so now it's time for me to check it out for myself to see how well the machine is running. It ran pretty smooth, which I liked. Now, I don't know how to take this thing out of here. This is the results. It looks a little tight. Maybe my tension was too tight, but it came out pretty good. But thanks for watching. Check out my other videos and please subscribe.